Hi, I'm Zareen Khan, and you're watching my show Spices and Secrets. Today, I'm having two celebrity guests who I'm having a fun chat with. Our two guests today are from two different decades in Hindi films, and they have so many stories of their own to tell. One is a timeless beauty, and the other, a happy-go-lucky actor who does few films but is always remembered for the energy he invests in each of his roles. Yet, we have to wait for that. Now, I'm going to make you a very simple dish, karare bhendi aloo. First, we take this oil. There's a lot of oil because it's all got to be deep fried. So forget about your diet in this one. It's about to sizzle. You start cutting the bhendis. They have got to be chopped very small. Literally like this size. So I'll put this into this bowl. There goes all of it now into this bowl, and we keep this aside. Now the next step is we have to cut the aloo, the potatoes, into almost the identical size as we've cut the bhendis. So there goes. So now these are the last of the potatoes before we put them into the sizzling oil. I take this pan. In any case, all kids love potatoes in any form. I'm sure they're ready to be taken out. So here goes. We put them on this paper, so we drain out all the excess oil. This is just the right color. So then when we place them here, they become a little browner. The next is the bhendis. Actually, it's a very easy dish, and all of you can make it. Now, here goes. I'm a little extra careful because the oil is hot. So, you know, bhendi, however it is cooked, it tastes best when it is slightly crisp, whether it is made just by itself or combined with any other vegetable. In the meantime, I take a bowl, and then spread all of this into the bowl. There. Now I get this ready to have with another tissue paper to put the bhendis in. See, we've timed it pretty well because the bhendis are almost ready, because they'll become crisper as you put it onto this tissue again. There we go. We start putting all of the bhendis onto this tissue to drain off the oil. Just to show you, this is how they will look after they are fried. Now we have got to mix the two, and we'll do this into the same dish. So here goes. Now we mix all of this together like this, and you add your masalas. Okay, first you take the salt and you put in the salt as much as you feel it should be. Then comes the red chili powder. It depends on how much you want, but I think at least this much should be fine. Then the amchur. The amchur is meant to be a mango powder. So it gives a little bit of that tangy taste to the recipe. Last, all this kothmeer, that is coriander, The coriander brings the taste. All these things bring the taste. And you mix it really well. And so also a little bit of the dhania powder we put in. About this much. Cooked this style, simple, easy. It's the best dish for vegetarians. And your dish is ready. I serve it like this to display it well, and I put it in a flat dish instead of a round dish, so that all the ingredients and the bhindi and the alus are properly displayed. And in a bowl, you don't see that so well. So it's better to put it into a flat dish. See, this dish, though simple, will be very appetizing. This is the right way to serve a bhindi aloo. And if you guys have missed anything, here's the recap.
For karari bhindi aloo, in a pan heat the oil for frying. Now add the 2 small diced potatoes and deep fry them till golden brown. Remove them on the kitchen paper to drain out the excess oil. Now add 500 gram chopped lady finger and deep fry them till golden brown and crisp. Remove the crispy fried lady finger on the kitchen paper to drain out the excess oil. Add the fried potatoes and lady fingers into a bowl and mix well. Sprinkle salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon raw mango powder, freshly chopped coriander, half teaspoon coriander powder, and mix well. Your karari bhindi aloo is ready to be served.
Next, we will make a white fish curry along with our celebrity guest. So stay tuned. We'll be back after a break.